Okay, today we're going to make the fruit smoothie, and I have our products here. Once again, this is super simple. You can use fresh fruit. Sometimes I usually have blueberries, fresh blueberries. I don't today, but you have your frozen fruit as well, and I usually buy organic when I can. So the first thing you do, you don't need any ice, but you always use a banana for your base in this particular smoothie. And then I'm just going to add a couple of fresh strawberries just to supplement, because a lot of times in the frozen fruit they don't give you very many strawberries in these triple berry blends, which you can get from Aldi's or Trader Joe's or Jewel, wherever you shop. So those are your berries. And again, it's about getting a mix of fruits and vegetables every day. I alternate between the vegetable one day and then the fruit another. There's not a lot of strawberries in there, so I'm going to add some more frozen. Okay. Then I throw a boost in there for protein, and this is the high protein boost. Anybody can drink these. You don't just have to be a senior citizen. It's good for your bones as well, with the calcium in there and everything. What I'll do is add some organic super seeds, which is your chia, your flax seed, your hemp seed. This is also good for omega-3s. I'm going to put, this is also, actually it really helps to fill you up. It actually is like a filling agent. Then I take some collagen grass-fed protein. And this is good for hair, nails, bones, joints. A teaspoon of that. I'll put some super chlorella, which is just another superfood. Yesterday I made the spirulina. I'm putting a couple tabs. It depends on your amount. If you get the super chlorella, you only need 1 tablet. This is recommending like 3 to 5, I think. But for I'm just going with 2. And then I also put my probiotics in here. Okay, and I just open up the capsule, dump it in, and I'm not going to today, but sometimes I'll add extra protein, like this is chocolate. My husband likes the chocolate protein powder, so we'll add that. And the next thing we're going to do is blend it. I'm going to bring an extra boost because sometimes it's too thick. Over here, and again we're just going to go first on chop. This is a regular Oster blender. You don't need a big Ninja juicer. If you don't have the money for that, just go ahead and use your regular blender. It's just a blender. We don't need a close-up. Back up. Good. You can see it's having a problem because it's too thick. So I'm adding more boost. You might want to show them about a half. This boost gives it a real milkshake flavor. So that's why I switched to boost instead of like using milk or 2% milk. Having a problem here. There we go. And I'm just keep, going from one button to the next. I'm going to put it on liquefy. Just because it's so thick. Yeah. Need some more. very thick. It's because of the frozen fruit. Okay, there you have it. And I'll get my glass and enjoy that. And that'll act as a meal. Okay, thanks very much.